Hello guys, so this is the day 11 of Eat That Frog. Here is a great rule for success. Think on paper. Only about 3% of adults have clear written goals. These people accomplish 5 and 10 times as much as people of equal or better education and ability, but who, for whatever reason, have never taken the time to write out exactly what they want. There is a powerful formula for setting and achieving goals that you can use for the rest of your life. It consists of 7 simple steps. Any one of these steps can double and triple your productivity if you are not currently using it. Many of my graduates have increased their income dramatically in a matter of a few years or even a few months with this simple even 7-part method. Step 1. Decide exactly what you want. Either decide for yourself or sit down with